start with my day with this 1 glass of lukewarm water, adding lemon into it. Drinking warm water flush out all the toxins from your body, and lemon is the best source of vitamin C, which helps to improve your immune system and blood circulation. After this comes the important part, that is brushing your teeth and getting freshen up. From the past few weeks, I've also started doing meditation, which really helps me to relax my mind, body and soul. It also helps me to reduce my stress and overcome anxiety. Being a content creator and generating content every day, which I absolutely love doing it. And with peace of mind, new ideas flood and help me to create more content. So these days I have been experimenting something new for my skin, that is using Multani Mitti in place of face wash. Yes, I use the Multani Mitti just like my face wash, as Multani Mitti is known to fight for acne, pimple and also remove excess oil and dirt from your face. You can do the same and comment down below if you're going to try this hack, and if you do, then please share your result with me. I would love to know it. So I have used Khadi Multani Mitti. You can use any Multani Mitti which you have. And now I'm going to wash it. Today I'm also gonna do the hair spa, and I make sure to make a schedule for it, as my hair is in a dry texture and taking care of it is mandatory. If you want to know the secret of my hair spa schedule, do check the hair mask video. I will add a link in the description box, so do check that video and I will see you in a few minutes. So I just took the bath and I feel my hair so soft and shiny at the same time. I really love this hair mask. Don't forget to check that video. It's very useful. Those who have frizzy hair or dryness in the hair, you should definitely try that hair mask. I really love it. Now I'm going to use the Joy Skin Fruit on my hand. And for the face, I'm using Lactocalamine. It's affordable and it's it's very affordable and it's best for oily and acne prone skin. You should definitely try this product. For the hair, I'm using this serum from Matrix. It's deep smoothing serum and I applied on my wet hair only. Just taking few drops of it.